This is Oscar Moreno with Moreno Custom Home Visions. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to change the temperature in your water heater. Now, real simply, it's going to be located on the bottom chamber of your water heater. What you're going to end up doing is using a screwdriver, removing the top and the bottom screws of your water heater. After you've done that, you're going to locate a little knob right underneath here that you can use a flathead screwdriver to reach. And you're going to reach inside of there, and by either turning it clockwise to increase the heat or counterclockwise to decrease the heat. Now, there's always a recommended point to you only use it at 125 degrees. If you need it any hotter, you are going to run the risk of burning yourself. So just a good tip, keep it under 125. Once you adjusted your water temperature to what your settings that you like, you can go ahead and cover this back up. That's how you change your temperature in your water heater.